The first thing we will review today is our basic demo application for field services. Today, I'm going to be acting in two roles. The first role is our coordinator, who has the ability to assign work orders and check sheets to various engineers. And the second role is our engineer, who has the ability to execute these work orders and check sheets, gathering data on their mobile device on or offline. As a coordinator, I'm here sitting at my desk on the computer, accessing field services on my desktop. And I have quite a few things I can do. I can view field tickets, manage work orders, view purchase orders, or manage prices of materials or supplies. Today, we're going to create a new work order. Here, I can view all current preventative maintenance work orders that are in process. I can also see existing assets and the last time preventative maintenance was performed on them. We have quite a few assets that are due maintenance, so let's schedule a new work order. On the left-hand side, I can select which assets for which I want to create a work order. Selecting Schedule All, Select All will select all assets and schedule a new work order for those assets. But for the sake of today's demo, I'm simply going to select one and then hit Schedule Selected. Clicking Schedule Selected will allow me to choose which engineer I'd like to allocate this work order to. In this case, I'll select myself and then assign and schedule. I'm asked if I want to schedule more work or finish, and for now, we'll click Finish. Notice that the notification popped up that the work order was scheduled and the field engineer was notified. Let's navigate back to our home page and then switch over to our field engineer. For this, I'm going to use my mobile app. So now I've logged into the mConnect Field Services application on my mobile device as a field engineer. Now, mConnect Field Services is available on Android, iOS, and the screen is responsive to tablets. So for any of you using a tablet, you will have a comfortable look and feel with the user interface. Now, as a field engineer, I do have access to field tickets, my preventative maintenance work orders, as well as any asset management I may need to do. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on work orders, and I have a list of preventative maintenance work orders that I've been assigned. So we'll go ahead and select one of these and start filling it out. At the top, I have the asset, the category of asset, and the preventative maintenance number. So these are the details of the work order. And then below, I have 13 checklist items for me to fill out. These checklist items include a description and allow me to choose from list of okay, not okay, or not applicable. In addition, mConnect Field Services does have access to your device's capabilities, technology. So whether you are using things like a stopwatch, or in this case, a camera, you can simply access those technologies by clicking the button. So for example, if I need to add comments, I can go ahead and say new photo, and then take a photo or select a photo from my device. I'm going to point my phone out the window and go ahead and snap an image so we can capture that. I think that's pretty okay. And that will be uploaded to the device. Now I can save the details, and we've completed the first checklist item. For the sake of the demo, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the checklist and just check all items. Now I can proceed. A couple things are happening here. I can enter any final comments on the work order. In this case, everything looks pretty great. I can add my signature. That's automatically inserted into the work order. It's printed signature and time-stamped, and my location is captured as well. Now I can submit it, and the work order is completed successfully. And that's it. As a field engineer, I've completed my first work order on my mobile device. So as you can see, what we have here is a very specific use case for data capture in the field, and mConnect for Field Services manages to facilitate every business process with the smooth flexibility of a high-end custom application.